Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. It is snowing like crazy here, and Tina and I are heading to the soap shop to pack up some orders, and then we're heading back home to have a snow day, and I'll be doing some marketing all day. So it's just one of those days. But anyway, I hope you're all having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years. It'll be next year. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So what are we going to talk about today? Well, it's a new month, right? So at the beginning of every month, I always look on my calendar and I go through everything that I did in the previous month and make all the necessary adjustments and look at what worked out, what didn't work, what I need to do more of, what I need to do less of, and things like that. It's what I do every first, second day of the new month, okay? Just a habit of mine. And I keep track of everything because I'm a numbers guy, and I like analytics and things like that. So I keep track of everything. I had 12 personal referrals come into my business opportunities in November, which put me over my goal of 120 referrals this year. So I'm up to 124 personal referrals, actually 125, because I had a new sign up come in yesterday into one of my businesses, but of course that was December. So but yeah, so I'm on track for that. Now the cool thing is that I'm using a new app that is helping me run my daily life and build my empire. All right, this app it's phenomenal. It gives you a perfect morning routine every morning. All right, we have daily affirmations, we have meditation, we have reading, we have I said affirmations, we have a visualization board. It does everything. The app does absolutely everything, and it keeps track of everything. All right, so it has a calendar in there. You can set up each and every day of the month. It's really a great app. And it helps me keep everything organized so that I know exactly what I'm doing each and every day. There's a journal in there. It's just, I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out. And some people say that Norton or Avast antivirus, the virus protection there, that they give it a false positive, the website. So if that happens to you, all you just do is click on create exception and you'll get through no problem. The company's been in business since 2016, so there's absolutely there's nothing to worry about. It's a legit app. It's a legit company. It just, for some reason, those antivirus protectors give it a false positive sometimes, but you can get around it. And if you have any troubles, just reach out to me. But the app is $10 a month. It's worth $100 a month, in my opinion. And they even pay out 80% commissions for those who use it and share it with other people, which is really generous. So it's something I'm using to, like I said, it gives me just a great morning routine. I can plan out my whole day, and I can earn commissions by sharing with other people. So if you want more information about it, the link is down below. And just go and start keeping track of everything. And that's how you build big organizations. You have to keep track of these things and know what's working for you and what's not, so that you're not doing things over and over that aren't working. Moving into 2026, this app is part of a bigger platform that I'm using that's going to be the foundation for building our QuickSilver organization. All right, we have a pretty nice sized team going on right now, and we're just going to continue to build that out in 2026. It's going to be our main opportunity, our main MLM company that we're working on, and we're using this platform to build it out. All right, and the platform adds up to $128 plus per month per referral. So it's really a no-brainer in my opinion. But all that information is going to be below the video. We're here at the soap shop. We're going to pack up these orders because it's snowing out and we got to get back home so that we're off the roads here. But I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.